Tired of AI getting tripped up by messy, real-world data? Well, let's look at a radical new approach.
You know the feeling, right? Your model's a genius in the lab, but real-world data just wrecks it.
So what's the deal? Well, traditional data science is basically built on fragile guesswork. It just can't handle surprises.
And look, this isn't a new complaint. Professor R.E. Coleman called statistics a pre-science decades ago.
And he wasn't the only one. There's been deep dissatisfaction with these old statistical methods for a long time.
So if that's the problem, what's the solution? Let's talk about something called machine gnostics.
This is all about building a new, super robust foundation for AI, one that doesn't get rattled by messy data.
So what is it exactly? It's a Python library that's shaking things up with non-statistical principles.
Here's the big switch. Forget probability. Machine Gnostics uses deterministic stuff like algebra and geometry. It's resilient by design.
So instead of just guessing, it actually encodes the laws of nature right into its algorithms.
And it's standing on the shoulders of giants. We're talking Clausius, Maxwell, Riemann, and even Einstein.
The whole idea is based on the amazing work of Pavel Kavanik and his theory of mathematical Gnostics.
And its philosophy is revolutionary. Just let the data speak for themselves. No more forcing our ideas onto it.
That means you don't mess with the data. No trimming samples, no assumptions. Even outliers have something to say.
And what do you get? A system that's unbelievably tough against noise, outliers, and just messy, corrupted data.
So the question is, are you ready to build a smarter, tougher kind of AI? And getting started is a piece of cake. It's a Python library, so you can install it super fast.
This is a full-on open-source project founded by Dr. Nirmal Parmar, and yeah, they want you on GitHub.
So what's hiding in your data? What truth will it reveal once you finally let it speak for itself?